Good morning, children. How are you? Today we will learn about the letter G. And this is the baby letter G, and many objects are shown in the letter G. Let's learn more about the letter G. This is Mama G, and many objects are shown here. We will recognize them one by one. G, G, gate. G, G, gloves. G, G, goat. G, G, glue. G, G, grapes. G, G, green. G, G, gas jar. G, G, goggles. G, G, garbage bag. G, G, gift. G, G, grass. This is baby G, and all the objects are shown here as shown in the Mama G. And this is another sheet where many other objects starting from G are shown. G ka grass, G ka grasshopper, G ka goat, G ka goose, G ka grapes, G ka gorilla. New words here. G ka garbage truck, G ka guitar, G ka gift box, G ka golf, G ka girl. G ka gas, G ka glass, G ka gate. Worksheets. A child has to find out the objects which are starting from letter G. Glass is shown here and they have to search for letter G. This is another worksheet we have done earlier also. This is new worksheet where a child has to look a gift where Mama G and Baby G is written. They have to color them as per their choice. Grapes are shown here and they have to color Mama G with the green color and Baby G with the purple color. They have to look for letter G and color the circles. Finding activities. This is a very interesting worksheet where grasshopper is playing guitar. Do these worksheets nicely. Okay, children?
Can you make the letter sounds? We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter G. This is a capital G. This is a lowercase g. You know how the G looks now. Let's make the letter G sound. G, 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 g. Yeah! G is for girl. G is for goldfish. G is for a greedy goat. G is for goose. G is for green. G is for guitar. You know some G words now, so let's make the letter G sound. G, 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 g. Your turn. G, 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 g. G.
Bye, children.